Go forward. Go forward. Roll forward and go backwards. Here we go. What to do, all my loyal subscribers? So we have about 2 feet of snow. And then it's still snowing, y'all. This here is old Miss Grace. If y'all haven't, you just now tuning into my channel. 2020 Nissan Versa S, which is basic model, base model, what the fuck ever. Can y'all see her? I can. Alright, so this, I'm just gonna give y'all a brief of her driving off. Y'all can see like what the tires, crazy cat. You got me about to fall out here, Lord. Oh. So my first one, y'all, I ain't had no lotion on, and I don't want to be on camera with no white ass face. It just ain't my style. This is about the 5th or 6th snowstorm this car has been in. I normally just take pictures, but this time I decided I'd do it for my subscribers. Get y'all a video of the car. If you haven't, you got 2020 Nissan or Infinity, join my Dubbing Up Club. 2020 Nissans and Versas group. Show all your pictures, all your customization information. Me and Onyx Tent Car Show. The Honest Support the Honest Car Show. May 28th, 2022 at Onyx Tent and Ceramics. They're in Ashland, Kentucky, 2236, I believe, Winchester Avenue. Yeah, it's gonna be lit. If you watch the show up and show out, it's gonna be lit. I'm talking about cars, culture, people, food, music, games. Whoa. Any and every goddamn thing. What up? You need the keys? I finna tell you I mailed them off. Ha ha. Can I sweep off her window, YouTube? Oh shit, my phone, is it dying? How the fuck is my phone dying? I don't think you're gonna be able to get up out of here. 2 feet of snow, y'all. 2 gigantic feet of damn snow. I believe my phone's dying. I believe my phone is dying. It don't look that bad, but you still want to get it darker because in the daylight it is transparent, and I ain't trying to. Let's see. Let's see if the 18 cut through. Yeah, it did. It did. It rumbled in the ground. Go forward. Go forward. Roll forward and go backwards. Don't let the truck come by. Yes, you can. When you roll forward a little bit more and then roll back at like 5 miles per hour. Hold on. Go. Stay still. Don't hit the gas too hard. You're gonna slide. Alright, cut your wheels and drive forward.
Oh my God, my stuff?
No, cut your wheels, drive forward. Drive slow. Drive slow. I give y'all content if she make it back. If she don't make it back, then I have to probably call the insurance for roadside assistance. So yeah, when she get back, I can give y'all an update that she made it, and then I can just upload this. The first video isn't all that well of quality. This one may be better. So if she does or doesn't, we shall see. Oh my goodness. Look at this shit.
A few moments later.
All right, all my loyal subscribers. So, I don't know how much. I don't know how much the first footage. I don't know how much of it. I don't know. I had 30% when I went outside. By the time I started recording, got like part of the way through, my shit was at 0. It is literally so cold to where it killed my damn battery on my other phone. So, if it didn't die, well, if it died right after I see it, we're gonna let y'all know when she get back. Cause no, she ain't gonna drive to the store and whatever in this shit. I'm gonna take y'all out here to show y'all that she actually made it back. I'm gonna merge these two videos, real simple. Edit it, bang, it's up there. The very first one, I ain't having a lotion on, and it's so damn cold outside to where my entire face is white. So I deleted that one, but I might just leave that one. I don't fucking know. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna take y'all outside, stay y'all ass inside, and I'll be right back. All right, YouTube. It is literally 2 feet of damn snow. So it does look like she made it. Whoa. Shit. It does look like she made it back. As y'all can see, the snow is literally covering the light bar. It's literally that high. It is covering the light bar. And if they ask me why I put 18s on a damn Versa, that is clearly why. Need a hell of ground clearance. But what is this wire? This must be to the oh yeah, that's to the light. But yeah, as y'all can see, she made it back safe. So I'm gonna merge these two videos and I'm gonna upload this for y'all today.